Okay, here we are at a nice excavation site in the city, and this is all nice ash layer. You can see up here are some milks popping out. There's also some older pieces. I'm going to walk this way and show you anything that pops up. It's a nice looking, I don't know, pickle top? It's hard to tell. It's pottery shards. It's like maybe a English ink. Tons of it's all ash dump. They just leveled it out, so I'm hoping I dig down I'll get something good. Lots of iridescent glass. There's already this nice looking ink bottle top. Nice color. So yeah, I'll do some digging and get back to you in a few. Alright, well, we got a nice looking whiskey, I think, sticking out here. And I'm going to try to dig it out for you with the camera, so I'll see how this goes. It's pretty hard packed. Nice, beautiful ash layer, though. Nice bone slice. Let's see if I can dig around this guy. Sorry if the camera's off. Don't do this too much. Looks nice and early. Here it comes. There you go. Ooh, nice. I don't see any writing, but I think it's English. But still nice looking crude glass. There's a pipe stem right there. Out in here, I'll hopefully find some more for you. Well, can't say it was much of a dig, but I found some stuff. This big green vine turned out to be a Cocoa marinari. It's really common. And this little pottery jar, and also this one. Pretty small one, nothing too special. This was a crier. Nice local pharmacy. Busted the lip. This one is whole. P&D Company, Boston. Nice little med. Got some cone inks, unusual looking fruit jar top here. That one I can't say I've seen. Gotta clean off and check the patent dates. Nice little ink. And a nice pipe piece. It's just it's a Burnett, Boston. Pretty common. So a few things, but nothing too special. Alright, catch y'all later.